Let's see what you got. You got some LOL surprises?
Yes, let's open it.
Let's see. What else do you have? Let's see everything you have. So you got LOL, and then what else do you have?
Snacks.
Can you show me? Those are so cute. How many do you have? 3?
Yes. It's glittery.
It's glitter. Sparkly.
And it's in this glitter.
So cute.
And it's in this glitter. It's like a pink. It's so pink and white.
Mm-hmm.
Got some wings.
Some rings. Awesome.
And I got some bands.
And you got a bunch of bands. Awesome. Those look so cute.
I like that one pink one.
You like pink
Yes. And red.
and the red one?
And here's the pink one. I like this.
This one's your favorite? Show me. That one is cute.
Yes. I got some squishy surprises.
You got some squishy surprises. Those look awesome. So we're gonna be opening them now?
Yes.
Yay.
Praise this one.
You wanna open that?
Yes. Let's see what's inside. I signed squishy toy.
Let's see what's inside there.
You
You-
can help me.
Of course, you need help.
Oh. Ready? Let's see what's inside.
Yes, I'm ready to see what's inside. Can you open it?
No.
You need help?
Yes. Let's see what's inside.
It's so cute. It's so squishy, yes?
Yes.
Does it smell?
Yes.
What does it smell like?
Like a candy.
Like a candy. That's awesome.
And he's have hearts.
Oh, and he has hearts.
And he
What do you think is in this one?
maybe unicorn.
Maybe a unicorn.
Yes.
Of course.
I think it's a unicorn. A cat.
So cute. You love cats.
I love only dogs.
You have only dogs.
No.
So cute.
No. It's gonna be a unicorn.
Think there's gonna be a unicorn in this one?
Yeah.
What is it?
A dog.
Oh, a doggy, a puppy. So cute.
And he's have a flower.
A flower in the back.
Hope is a unicorn.
It's a baby sloth. Remember you were watching a baby sloth?
Yes.
It's so cute.
Hello.
Oh,
Let's open and let's watch.
awesome. So cute.
It's like
I think it's for your hand. A bracelet. Is that a charm for the wristlet? Awesome.
a magnet.
Magnets?
Yes.
Show them those. Magnets? So cute. Oh, those are so cute. Can you show me? So cute.
Open the blue.
Okay, let's open it. So cute. Now you're gonna open the red one? Okay. So cute.
See what inside a mask they are.
Let's see what kind of mask there is inside. Wow, it's purple and pinkish. Do you like it?
I want like that.
You love this?
I want like that.
What do you want?